Hey all, very good evening. Vijesh here. Welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? So this video is about OTTO headphones. Check out guys, brand new one, OTTO headphones. So this video is about a review about this OTTO headphones. So stay tuned guys. Let's go to the video. So let's unbox this headphones. This is OTTO. So how do you open this? So I think I need some tool for this.
Oh my God.
Guys, let's open our headphone. It's empty here. Okay. Color is good. It's a plain one. Let's unbox our headphone. I'm taking much time to open this. That's it guys. Alright. So here it is, headphones. Let me connect with this and talk to you guys. Oh, nice. Okay. You can adjust your headphones. Here it is. I connected to the headphones. This headphone is connected now, so you can listen my voice. So it's a cool headphone. You can hear songs with this, and adjustable headphones it is. You have a good grip and rubber quality is awesome. It's more comfortable. It's a good one. So this is OTTO headphones. So how it is guys, comment me. So that was it is, and you can fold like this guys, so it is like highs. So I suggest that never roll your wires like this, so you will spoil your headphones. So I suggest to tie like this. Keep safe your wires so that you get life. See, you can carry like this. Tell you guys how it is. So it comes with OTTO headphones. It has 1.2 m cable, 3 mm jack. Okay, the volume plus and control, foldable design for easy storage also. So it's very cool guys. Nothing much about that. I can't tell you about the price about that. And yeah, nothing much. To this headphone, it is nice guys. You can use for laptops. See, you can control your lengthwise, and you can twist the headset like this, and you can keep it down. It's a cool guys. The color, how is the color it is? Nice colors, right? Hope you like this. So that was a unboxing of headphones. You can see my YouTube studio here. I'll show you on this video. Let's go. This is the studio guys. You can see here a small studio. What we just chose. You will like. So it's a gaming set of keyboards, mouse, and you have a headphone here. So we'll be watching more gaming on my channel as well, so you can support, guys. Welcome you all to my YouTube family. So keep watching my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Take care. Last video I was saying about JBL. So it was awesome, guys. I listened over that, and it has a good quality of hearing, and you have a good effect on that noise and musics. The bass is good. It's awesome, guys. You can check out this JBL. Okay. Ta-da. So this is my small studio, guys. Hope you liked it. So we'll be coming on more videos about this, and here I'll be editing and uploading my videos. So a small studio from Vijesh. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, guys. So it was a review about a small video where about headphones. So you can see upcoming videos about travel and food and gaming also. So newly I added some gaming where you can go and watch my videos. So you can comment me which game you want. I can just add and show you how it is. And nothing much, guys. So the day is very hot, and Bangalore is very hot now. Yes, nothing much. All right. So catch you on another video. So signing off. Take care, guys. See you.